Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Listen, if you are ready to put that broom down and boss up, then this is absolutely the right place for you. My name is Felicia. I'm known to many as your cleaning business bestie. And today we are talking about how to respond to negative reviews online. Listen, here's the thing. If you're in business, you've been in business for a while, this is going to happen. Like, there's honestly not a lot that we can do to avoid it. You're going to have that one person at some time, at some point, that's going to leave you a negative review, right? But let's talk about it. A 1-star review is not the end. It's your comeback opportunity. Let's get into it. So the one thing that I want you to know is that, although today I'm going to be teaching you how to respond to bad reviews without losing your cool, the goal is that we don't get bad reviews. Let's just start there, okay? Now, if you do get it, I'm going to share with you 3 things that's going to help you, especially Google reviews. So the first thing is you never, ever, ever, ever want to argue publicly. That is a no-no, right? Do not argue publicly. Acknowledge what their experience was, right, at your company or with your employee, etc. And then invite them to talk privately about it. Being able to do that, I think, is key. And then you want to apologize even if you don't agree with what they're saying, right? We're sorry you felt this way. That's a good way to kind of start off if you are replying to any reviews as well. But always maintain professionalism throughout the process of responding to negative reviews online. And you want to fix it offline, right? Like, you do not want to go online and try to hash things out. Try to fix it offline and then just go online. And again, start off with a very professional tone and responding to the negative review. And then ultimately, offline, you want to ask them, hey, is there any way you can revise your review? Your response matters just as much as the review itself. So be classy, not combative, right? And the one thing that I'll say is that if you are unsure, if you just don't know what to say, or you feel like you're very upset, walk away. It is not the time for you to be responding to reviews while you are upset, okay? So I hope that these tips and these information that I shared today will assist you. If you have any questions, if there's anything that I can do to assist you further, please do not hesitate to reach out.